Keith, Corey here. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips that you can actually implement to your website. Really help draw in a lot more traffic to it as well, and really close down a lot more leads and grow your business. But the 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I got your site up here. Everything that you see is really content. Google does love words, so being about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words. Well, it really depends on how much keywords you're actually trying to shoot for and how much business you're actually trying to bring in. But you want to equal the amount of content to the keywords so you can actually be found for those keywords. Even these images, this is all content behind here. You got storm damage. You can actually be a little bit more buyer's intent keywords with those. That's just going to help with your rankings, help you bring in a lot more business as well. If I go inside of Google and just type in handyman Cherry Hill NJ, this is what you're going to see. Are you doing handyman repair or hang on, let me, sorry about this. Let me figure out what you're doing. So we'll do fence repair in Cherry Hill. We'll do fence repair Cherry Hill. All right, so you could actually do fence repair, you could do whatever, it doesn't really matter. But this is what you're gonna see. You got this little map pack here at the very top. Really depends on what keyword you're actually chasing after, and then also the location. But this little map pack here at the top, some people call it a Google My Business, some people call it a map pack. But the top 3 sections is really where, or the top 3 businesses is really where all the traffic actually goes. And to get to the top 3, you can see all the different businesses as well, even multiple pages. But to get to the top 3 right here, you're going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is, just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So ideally what you want to do is go get those same citations from your top competitors. Obviously, we do have to beat them, so just do a bunch of work and you can outrank them as well. Underneath this little map pack, we have all that organic traffic. This is the first page of Google. And really to find your page there, it's going to be dealing with all that content being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a site linking back to your site that's just really driving power. So you can really just get on that first page of Google and start drawing in those leads. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. Kind of give you an example here. If I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool that just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. This is the history of your website. You got 4 referring domains pushing back 11 backlinks, 23 keywords you're being found for, 3 clicks to your site on average every month. We can come in and see where those clicks are actually coming from. Got your name here at the top. We're just looking for those buyer's intent keywords. Handyman Services, South Jersey. 30 clicks a month for that one keyword. You're 53rd position, so you're missing the traffic. That's the 5th page of Google there. Handyman South Jersey, another 70 clicks that you're missing. 57th position, so once again missing the traffic. Riverside Repair. Yeah, so we just need to find a lot more keywords and make sure that we do enough backlinking, making sure that we're getting a thoric backlink so we can actually get on that first page of Google to draw in these leads. Now, let me show you one of your competitors here. This I actually put in the fencing side of things, and it looked like you do cover fences. So kind of gave you an idea of what they got going on. I stuck them inside of Ahrefs as well. So they got 49 referring domains, pushing back 110 backlinks. So you're not really too far back away from them. 168 keywords that they're actually being ranked for, which they are getting 146 clicks to their site. And which these are people actually searching for things too. Fence companies, South Jersey, there's 150 clicks just for that one keyword. Holding down 2nd position, they're getting 20 clicks to their website. And it's really finding more of these, like fence companies in South Jersey. There's another 40 clicks. Fencing places near me, another 70 clicks. Fencing South Jersey, another 100 clicks right there. 2nd position. It looks like something isn't optimized, so they're missing the traffic. But whatever, we want to go after the fences. If you want to go after, let's see what services, windows, fence repair, furniture assembly, deck work. That's a good one. I know that's some good paying profits in that area. Clean outs. So we could actually go in and find all these keywords for all these different services, which is obviously going to increase your keywords. And then we'd want to do is make sure that we're ranked for them. Also doing a backlinking so we can actually get on that first page of Google. And you're going to notice jobs be called in just from that service of like painting or whatever whatever keywords you're searching for, painting in house painting in Cherry Hill or whatever. But anyway, hopefully you get the idea what's going on. But I would love to make a custom video for your or a custom game plan to help you get to where you're going. You can reach back out to me, or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips, that's great. I do love reviews, so if you want to come back, kick me in a review on this video, that'd be awesome. Thanks. Have a good day.